YL-1532B Optical and Electromechanical Integration Training Assessment Device (UEGA). Yalong YL-1532B equipment in the aluminum alloy rail-type training platform, typical mechatronic device, PLC module unit, touchscreen module unit, button module unit, power module unit, analog production equipment training module, terminal block, and various sensor works together. It covers the basic knowledge, professional knowledge, and basic electromechanical skills requirements of the mechatronics profession, and also reflects the application of current advanced technology in production practice. The connection between the modules of the entire training and assessment device is connected by a safety wire to ensure the safety of training and assessment.